Okay, so these are my ingredients for the rotel. I have original and mild. I have 2 of the ground turkey, and I got 2 of these in case this one is not enough, but I really want to try to work with the one, so we're gonna see how that works. But we have these chips, the restaurant style and the bite size. I love the scoops, but we don't have those, so we might have to get some. But these are the ingredients that I'm going to be working with, so let's get into this rotel. I'm trying to have it done before Mr. Chisholm comes home, so let's see what happens. Okay, so I have this pot on 6 and this pan on 6 as well. I went ahead and kind of pre-opened the ingredients so that I can hold the phone and do this at the same time. So for the 2 turkey packs, I'm just gonna put both of those in this pan like that. For the cheese, I'm just gonna dump it over in here. Okay. So I'm just gonna dump the cheese in here. If I can do that with one hand. Alright, so the cheese is in there. Now I'm gonna put my tomatoes. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. Put those in there. Ooh. Okay. Bear with me, y'all. Now I need to get some spatulas and all of that. So let me get this one for the cheese. And I'm just gonna break this up a little bit. And just leave it there. For this, I'm going to try to chop this up. And I want to get it into little pieces. So this might take some time to chop it all up. So I'm just going to keep breaking this down into smaller pieces, and of course it's going to, you know, start cooking, and it's going to give us that, you know, that cooked ground turkey look that we want. Then this is going to continue to melt down. Then I will come back when I am ready to add the meat into here. So this is the finished ground turkey. And I tried to get it as fine as I could, but as you can see, it's still a bit chunky, but that will work. Then this is our cheese. I have it on low, so I'm just gonna add the meat in and probably turn it up a little bit just to stir it all together. Then it will be ready to serve. So this is what it is looking like, and it is looking very delicious. I did season the meat off camera, and I caught myself reaching for some chili powder and then doused the meat in cinnamon. So hey, we're gonna see what that tastes like. But it's pretty much done. So I'm just gonna leave it on low, and then when Mr. Chisholm comes home, we are going to try it. So this is the finished plate, and as always, we will come back and let you know how it tastes. Hello you guys, so this just happens to be days later, but we didn't want to not tell you all how the Rotel tasted. So the Rotel was amazing, but I made it, so let's hear what he has to say.
So cheesy.
It was good. It was really good. The meat, we used turkey, and that was still good.
Right.
So if you're not a fan of the beef or, you know, whatever, the turkey was amazing. And we ate on it for like 2 weeks almost. It was like almost 2 weeks. So it was amazing. So I just wanted to tell you guys about that. So make sure you drop us some suggestions down for some more things that you want to see us cook. And we will see you guys in the next video.